flow. Vegetation is replacing my death in exchange for salvation. You see the current keeps moving, you wade in that water. Flow, river flow. You gotta step to the shore, trade your riches for home and flow, river flow. 'Cause I've got joy, joy, like a river, and it runs straight through my soul. Yes, it does. Whoa, I got joy, joy, like a river, and it runs straight through my soul. Now, the redemption story will forever be told, passed down from generations for the pages unfold. History, that's right, history will tell this story forever and ever and ever. Hey. We sing in songs of joy, my Redeemer is here. We see it wrong this generation, blindsided by fear, but history will tell this story forever and ever, y'all. I got joy, joy, like a river, and it runs, yes it does, straight through my soul. Oh, I got joy, joy, like a river, and it runs straight through my soul. Like from the Dominican Republic, everybody on the guitar. We got John and I, we all make a beautiful state of Maine on the bass, the keyboard, and the acoustic guitar. John and I really right. Met Ariel all the way from New York tonight. He's never played the song before with us, but that's alright. We're going to ask him to solo anyway, just because I like to put people on the spot. So go for it, Poppy. You got it. Take me to church. Anyway, my favorite person to introduce by far is Moan. He's from New Jersey, but originally from Puerto Rico. But I love to introduce introduce him as the big guy in the little box, and so give it up for him, y'all.